We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at Studio Apartment 5K. Before we go in, let's take a look on the hallway so you can see the position of some other things that are near the apartment. Right across from us is the entrance to the maintenance office for the building and the Collegetown properties. Right across from us here is the elevator, and that next door will be the laundry room. Okay, let's go on into the apartment. As you know, here in Collegetown Plaza, the studios all look very similar. They're the same layout. They'll have some differences based on what you'll see out the windows. So as we go in, here's our kitchen, where we will see the refrigerator, microwave, there's the sink, the stove and oven. Across from the kitchen area is the bathroom. Let's get that bathroom door open and take a peek in there. So here's the bathroom where we have the toilet, the vanity, the full-size tub shower. There's a medicine cabinet over on the left. Let's go on into the room. I like how they position the furniture in this apartment today. It makes it look very wide open, so this does give a nice feeling of a lot of floor space here in the apartment. As we go in, you'll see the furnishings. We've got the desk and chair, the bookshelf, the dining table and chair. Over in that large window, we've got the window air conditioner. You can see that bright sun coming in. We are facing west here in this apartment. There's that full-size bed. I think having the bed positioned this way does help give it that open feel. And we've got the dresser next. And let's take a peek in the closet. So this is the closet space here for the apartment. We'll go on over and take a look out the window. So again, Collegetown Plaza is a 9-floor building. We've entered on floor 4. We've come up 1 level to floor 5, but we're on the west side of the building, which is the slope side of the building. So we are higher up, which you can see here out the window. So it's nice and bright, especially in the afternoons. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're here in central Collegetown. And from this location here in central Collegetown, we are just 1 block from campus. This is on the 5th floor, which is an active floor with the maintenance office and the laundry room. And we are 1 floor above the lobby level here in Collegetown Plaza, apartment 5K.